With the email list, we can send campaigns to turn visitors into TM practitioners. Let's use franchise-like education marketing like the Ask or Launch. The most essential campaigns are the survey, webinar, launch, and invisible campaign. I will outline them below. Start with a survey to segment our email list, not with the current zip question, but based on Ryan Levesque's Ask method, which generated over $1 million in 23 different markets from courses. Based on responses, we create separate buckets and we use different sequences. Therefore, they feel its relevant message converts better while feeling that we speak their language. A warmer approach in a cold world. After that, let's use Launch, based on the product launch formula by Jeff Walker, which generated over 1 billion combined for his students using a step-by-step franchise-like method. It starts with a survey, then 3 teaching videos on a landing with a downloadable and a sales video. In this case, book a call and an expiring bonus if you start TM now. Finally, an open cart period with a definite deadline. In our case, just the free bonuses goes away. This way we don't use pushy marketing. However, we use the benefits of deadlines to motivate them to take action now. Then let's use a webinar funnel, but instead of a usual webinar which has an offer in the end, let's use expiring bonuses. Finally, let's use an invisible campaign only for those who have already seen at least one of our campaigns, so somewhat warm leads, then allow them to book a personal call. For those only who already seen and know us, they already seen one of our campaigns, so they have familiarity. Perfect for those who have already started but never finished the initiation. This is the lowest hanging fruit. In other words, the highest ROI activity with the lowest effort. I want to build the entire system. I initiate not to fix the already existing tm.org. Instead, let's create an independent system from scratch. Why? Fixing it takes a long time and mission impossible. Recreating it in a way that it converts is the goal, especially now that the AI revolution is here. We have no time to waste.